Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for February 6, 2014, and we're going to use the GFS as a point of reference here today again, and we're going to have just a look for the next couple of days, just a couple cold days, dry days, not looking at much in the way of clouds on either on Thursday or Friday. A little more clouds Friday than Thursday, but all in all, just some cold, dry days. We are going to be watching a system come in for the weekend, and there's been a lot of speculation. This has been like the big internet sensation is how big this blizzard's going to be this weekend. Well, there is no blizzard this weekend, so take a look at the GFS here. There's a system that's going to be pushing off to our south here, and there's another one coming in from the Midwest. One's a northern stream system up here, and the other one is a southern stream system. And the two of them are not going to meet up here, and I'll show you that it's on a different frame here in a second. But we are going to get some light snow out of this. This could start as early as Saturday evening or Saturday night. And you can see the light snow here indicated on the GFS, and that goes into early Sunday morning here. GFS is also hanging another piece here behind it, a trailing wave coming through here. I'm not so sure about this here on Sunday evening, but it tries to do a double barrel low out here in the Atlantic, and then kicks one back here, and then throws moisture back into that cold air here. And I just not sure about that. There's really nothing moving through here, no short wave or anything that I could see in the upper levels. So I'm not sure what this is doing here. So I would expect that just a Saturday night into Sunday morning, light snowfall. Probably talking about a lot of areas getting 1 to 3 inches, and that's it. I want to go to a different graphic now, and this is the same GFS model. This is now expanded outward a little bit. I want to show you what's going on and why we're not getting a big system. You get two players right here, and I'm going to circle them here. One's right here, and the other one is down here. Okay, this is our southern stream system. Southern stream system is riding the southern jet stream. Okay, so your southern jet is down here like this, and your northern jet is diving in here like this. Okay, the two of these need to hook up, and they're just not, because you have one that's sitting way out here, and the other one down here, and just racing off the coast out this way. So if it's doing that, if these two can't meet up, which is called phasing. You'll hear that term thrown out. We use that term a lot on the Facebook page. If these two get to phase together, it would actually draw this system a little bit closer to the coast, and it would allow it to amp up. So it wouldn't be just a weak wave of low pressure as indicated on here, and you have a path that come up here up the coast here, and you get a very big snowstorm up in here. So this is what they were showing, I don't know, about 4 or 5 days ago. Then they lost that idea. Is it possible that they just are in that window where they lose the storm and then they'll bring it back within 72 hours? Yes, that is possible, but we're starting to running out of time here. And when you have systems that are this far apart synoptically, it's going to be hard for this to happen. So I would bank on not having a big storm this weekend, and all that internet sensation that we were hearing about is just going to go by the wayside and go down in history as a lesson learned of why you don't follow the weather weenies on these Facebook pages that are run by people that really don't know what they're doing. So go to the Canadian model just real quick. I just want to show you where that same wave here is actually early Sunday morning. It actually slows it down a little bit, and it has this system moving in here basically after midnight into early Sunday morning. Pops a little bit of a heavy burst before it moves. It's a moderate heavy burst of snow quickly before it moves in, or moves out, I should say. And then it's delayed about 6 hours slower than the GFS. So it's not much slower, but it is slower nonetheless. So either way, it's the same deal. One's way off the southeast coast, our southern stream system, and the other one is just a northern stream energy just rotating through, and that's it. The next system after that we'll be watching, to skip ahead a little bit, this is going to be right before Valentine's Day, actually on Valentine's Day, a system that's going to come into your picture right down here off the Carolina coast here. And the Canadians kind of take it is interesting with this. It kind of takes it up here like this, and that would mean a snowstorm again for these areas right here. But this is, again, we're talking about 180 hours out, and it is at the point I'm at right now, and the storm's not even up the coast yet, but you can see it what it does here. And it takes this system very strong, wraps it up here, and you have a pretty good snowstorm here for New Jersey, basically the Delmarva area and eastern Pennsylvania. So basically our coverage area. So We'll have to keep an eye on that because you know, it is a favorable time frame for storms as well. So this would be the next one in the next week. Would be the Thursday, Friday time frame we'd be watching after that. What does the GFS do with that system after it moves this one out? It takes it out to sea. Here it is, but it never makes a turn up the coast. And it just heads out to sea. So again, you're getting too far out here. So let's just concentrate on this weekend. I know it's not going to be a major deal. If there are changes and it does start shifting northwest, we'll let you know, but I really wouldn't bank on it right now with those features so far apart, like I showed you here on the GFS. I mean, that's a really, these two are really far apart now. They're going to have to link up, or else this isn't going to work, and this system is not going to come up the coast and bomb out unless that either the northern stream gets a lot faster or this southern stream slows down considerably. So again, this is only 66 hours into the future. This is not very far away, and not a lot of opportunity for this to change much more than it already has. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for February 6, 2014. Have a great Thursday.